The Cold War, a period of intense political and military tension between the United States and the Soviet Union, shaped the global order for nearly half a century. Although it never escalated into a full-scale war, its crises brought humanity to the brink of destruction. Today, we'll explore 3 pivotal Cold War crises and the lessons they teach us. The Cuban Missile Crisis was perhaps the most dangerous moment in human history. In October 1962, the world came closer to nuclear annihilation than ever before. The United States discovered Soviet nuclear missiles in Cuba, just 90 miles from its shores. President John F. Kennedy imposed a naval blockade, demanding the removal of the missiles. For 13 tense days, the world held its breath. Ultimately, diplomacy prevailed. Both nations agreed to withdraw their missiles, Soviets from Cuba and the U.S. from Turkey. In the early days of the Cold War, Berlin became a focal point of tension. In 1948, the Soviet Union blocked all road, rail, and canal access to West Berlin, hoping to force the Allies out of the city. Instead of retreating, the Allies launched the Berlin Airlift, delivering food and supplies by air for over a year. This act of resilience kept West Berlin alive and symbolized the commitment to freedom and unity. The Korean War was the first major military conflict of the Cold War. Divided along the 38th parallel, North and South Korea became battlegrounds for competing ideologies, communism and democracy. The war ended in a stalemate, with millions of lives lost and the Korean peninsula remaining divided to this day. The Cold War's crises reveal the fragility of peace and the power of diplomacy. They remind us of the dangers of unchecked rivalry and the importance of seeking common ground, even in conflict. What do you think the Cold War teaches us about today's global conflicts? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more history lessons.